Well, hello there. Today in Auto Shop, we will be replacing the wife's vent window on her 2014 Toyota Sienna. So we have our replacement here. We don't need this anymore. There it is there. The wind blew it and shattered the glass. Time to replace it. Save some money. Okay, tools you're gonna need. One of these, flathead screwdriver. 10 mil. And a deep socket 10 mil. You're gonna use the flathead, pop this out, remove this little bolt here, take this off, with your deep socket, you're gonna get what's holding the window in place. Remove that, and you need a deep socket for it. I'll show you in a bit why, but let's go outside, check it out. Okay, this is why you need that deep socket. Come on out. Okay. What's going on with you? It's stuck in there. There we go. Other one's here somewhere. Yeah, but you really need the deep socket to get in there and get that bolt out. Because it's pretty long. Time to put on the new glass. All right, there it is. Our replacement's in. Time to tighten it up. Got your deep socket 10 mil right in there. Tighten that up. Other one down here. We've managed to get it, Mr. Ed.
Huh?
We've managed to get it.
Yeah, but all these guys are stubborn, man. That's why I told you, verify it so I can be sure and not buying it. See, if I had gone and asked for a 3mm,
Yeah.
I would have had to go back. Just don't come out and oh, I got this left over. I got Jamie on the looks nice. It looks brand new, man.
Look like it might work, huh? Yeah, for the sliding door.
Oh, okay. What the hell?
We got it. Now the fun part, putting everything back together.
Gotta stick it on this. Make sure it's not hitting nothing on the bottom. There we go. Put it on the top now. Yeah, pull it down on the right hand side. Here it's open on the bottom, down there at the end.
Yeah, I think this sucker might have to go in first. Like that.
Oh, I think you should have pulled the one on the bottom first.
Oh, the one on the bottom, we can always peel it back.
Oh,
Don't break, don't break, don't break. There we go.
Got it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's out on the there you go. There you go. No screws? There's one screw, huh?
Yeah. Last piece.
Get it started. Got it?
Yep.
Oh, cool. And you got it.
And that's all you need. It's 10 mil
10 mil.
and a 10 mil
Put
deep
it with your
socket.
tool so you won't forget.
Right.
We should have a size that.
And a
size.
flathead just to pop out the cover.
Yeah, I told you you
And
need
that's
a
it.
screwdriver. I said get a screwdriver.
Hope that helped. It helped me save $130
Hell
doing it
yes.
myself.
Save a lot of money.
Say bye, Mr. Ed.
Ooh.
Adios.
Oh, you got a video. Is that a camera?
There it is there. Yep. Final product. Yeah, it's open.
There you go. Good work.
Not bad at all.